Hi, it's Carol. Today I'm going to show you some Birkin bag dupes that I got, not from Walmart. And if you've been on social media, you know that there's lots and lots of talk about Walmart and their Birkin bags. Of course, their Birkin bags were like $80. I found beautiful, beautiful inspired Birkin bags for 40 something. I'm going to show you right now. This one is considered white, but it's like a cream. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. The stitching, the weight is nice and light. The metal hardware is so beautiful. Oh, the inside is so big. This is a 30 cm. Comes with a little bag inside. It comes with a strap, and you can put the strap on these little eyelets over here on both sides. And oh, look, it comes with a little horse with a little scarf. How cute is that? It has a pocket here, and it has a zipper also. And I got the silver. I'm not sure if there's a choice, but I always pick the silver. So you would go like that. You could just go close this and just put these through like that on a daily basis. Just put them in the hook. You have this for a key or something, and then you have, it's like a tote. It's amazing. And look, it's got feet. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful feet. Beautiful metal hardware, beautiful hook here, and this is to put this through, and then you would put the lock. And I think I have the lock on another bag. Look at the hardware that this comes with too, the strap. And I love a strap, especially when I run into the stores. Look at that, nice chunky hardware. And you could make it smaller, shorter or longer with this buckle. So I love that option, and I love that it's not so obvious, the eyelets, in case you don't want to use that. But let me show you what other colors I got. Oh, I love this. A black one, of course. And here's the lock, and this is how I had it stored. I had it completely closed, but let's see. Okay, that's how you open it. Really, no key required, just maybe a screwdriver. Okay, so we turn that, and we can open it. And we have the same thing inside. Well, we have two compartments here, and then one zipper. And the strap, of course, and the lock. Okay, now, I'm telling you, I get compliments every time I walk into a store with this. So you take that off, and there you are with the beautiful, beautiful hardware. And just lift that up. And it comes with the strap, with the same hardware. And, okay, the double pocket, and then the zipper. And the shiny feet. And the feet still have tape. Oh, I went to the store with the tape on the feet. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, let's take it off. Oh, well, how do you like that? How do you like that? So I went to the store, got compliments on the bag, and I still had the tape on there. Now, these have round feet. Not sure why it's different. These have square. I mean, these have a dome foot, and this has a round flat. And this one has, see the cover? See the cover on here? It comes with like a silicone cover. Okay, one more to show you. So when I saw this, it's just the cutest bag. Ooh! It's a denim Birkin inspired bag, and it has the double and the zipper, the same thing. And let's see, it comes with a strap. The strap goes on the loops in the back. The straps can be adjusted. Let's see, it has a lock, and I like to keep it like that, you know, if I'm walking around with it. It's great to throw in everything. Everything fits in there. It's comfortable, and you can put it on as a shoulder bag or crossbody if you're in the store and you're shopping. And it's got, oh, it came with a bunch of chains. So it comes with a little pocket there, a pocket here, a pocket here. I still have my stuff in it. Anyway, this comes with like a cone-shaped feet. It is so fabulous. It just goes with everything. And they have the small version that is half the height and longer straps, so it could be worn over the shoulder. And of course, these aren't dupes. They don't say Hermes on it, but I don't want the ones that are exact with the name on it. I'm not trying to fake anybody. I just like the style. And you know, I didn't like the style for so long, for so many years. I never liked the style. And my girlfriend and I were just like, oh, I hate those bags. I hate those bags. Why is everybody wearing them? And then, I don't know, I kept seeing them, and then, you know, it just wears on you. And then I'm just like all over the internet looking for these bags. And I found like the best price, the best quality. This denim is superb, and they're much cheaper than Walmart's bags. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They're lightweight, so when you put your stuff in it, it's not too heavy, you know. That's why I don't like leather bags anymore. They're just like too heavy. But this is the cutest, and I can't believe I went out with the tape. Look how big that is. This is a 30. I like the 30. Okay, I have to show you this also. This is the foundation I'm wearing. I love it. I had seen it online, but it never... Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate and I love you all. You are so beautiful. And have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.